Welcome to a brief introduction to NanoVIP 2 Plus functions and features. Following topics will be covered. NanoVIP product range, NanoVIP 2 Plus presentation, overview, measures range, kits and accessories, preloaded modes, and finally the available connections. NanoVIP 2 represent the entry model of the range. It can answer monophase and two-phases systems as well as three-phases balanced ones. NanoVIP Cube is the three-phases power quality analyzer. It can perform a complete power quality analysis on mono, two and three phases balanced and unbalanced systems with 3 or 4 leads. NanoVIP Quadra is the high-end wireless and multi-point measuring system powered by MRH technology. Quadra system includes all NanoVIP Cube features plus the capability to make solar test, standalone and multi-point. Thanks to the MRH technology, it can build a wireless, real-time and heterogeneous measuring network. Parameters and calculations are fully according to IEC 61724. NanoVIP Cube Plus represents the cross-connection between Cube and Quadra measuring system. Cube Plus, as it includes MRH hardware, can work as a standalone NanoVIP Cube, but it can also connect to a Quadra wireless measuring network as remote client. NanoVIP 2 Plus completes the range merging NanoVIP 2 electrical measures and NanoVIP DGP thermomechanical features. In addition to NanoVIP 2 electrical inputs, it can read up to 4 independent and fully configurable transducer channels, and connect to a Quadra wireless measuring network as remote DGP client. NanoVIP 2 Plus extends NanoVIP 2 power quality analysis with 4 independent thermomechanical transducer inputs. It is reliable as based on NanoVIP 2 platform. Price competitive. It makes a full power quality analysis. It makes thermomechanical measures thanks to 4 transducer inputs. 4 preloaded operating modes, sensors, pump, chiller and supply. It can connect to a Quadra network thanks to MRH technology. NanoVIP 2 Plus has a wide range of electrical measures. 4 different electrical systems, single phase, 2 phases, 3 phases balanced and DC systems. All standard TRMS values. Minimum, average and maximum instant, absorbed and generated. Harmonics up to 50th order. Interruptions, micro interruptions, dips, swells. EN 50160 test, reference norm for power quality. Event logs, 5 alarms, 5 dips, 5 swells, 5 interruptions. NanoVIP 2 Plus adds thermomechanical measures to standard electrical measures. 4 independent and fully configurable transducer inputs. Each input can be configured as 420 mA, 0.1 volts or PT input. 4 preloaded measuring modes. Sensors, each input treats a single separate data. Pump, efficiency of pumping system plus 1 available input. Chiller, efficiency of chiller systems plus 1 available input. Supply, Genset efficiency plus 3 available inputs. All measures can be performed in standalone mode or all measures can be shared within an MRH network. Several configurations are available, but any set includes NanoVIP 2 Plus device, voltage cables, 2 PT100 temperature sensors, 2 420 mA connection cables, 2 0.1 volt connection cables, crocodile connectors, power supply, micro SD card and calibration certification, content bag. A wide selection of accessories, like CT clamps, is available to customize your own set. following electrical connections are available. Single phase. 3 phases balanced. Dispersion check with LMA clamp. DC systems. The most flexible non-electrical configuration is the sensors mode. In this case, up to 4 transducers can be connected to NanoVIP 2 Plus. No constraints on position, quantity and type of transducer, 420 mA, 0.1 volts or PT100. All data are read, converted and stored as standalone values with their own measuring unit. Pump mode is aimed to measure pumping system parameters as well as overall efficiency. When pump mode is selected, NanoVIP 2 Plus will expect a flow meter connected to input T1, an inlet pressure sensor on input T2, and an outlet pressure sensor connected to input T3. T4 input remains available for any additional measure user needs. With measures from inputs T1, T2 and T3, NanoVIP 2 Plus calculates hydraulic power. Electrical pump power is measured by electrical channel. NanoVIP 2 Plus is then capable to calculate real-time pumping system efficiency. Chiller mode measures chiller system's parameters as well as their overall efficiency. When chiller mode is selected, NanoVIP 2 Plus will expect a flow meter connected to input T1, an inlet temperature sensor on input T2, and an outlet temperature sensor connected to input T3. T4 input remains available for any additional measure user needs. With measures from inputs T1, T2 and T3, NanoVIP 2 Plus calculates cooling power. Electrical pump power is measured by electrical channel. NanoVIP 2 Plus is then capable to calculate real-time chiller system efficiency. Supply mode measures Genset system's parameters and their overall efficiency. When supply mode is selected, NanoVIP 2 Plus requires a flow meter connected to input T1, T2, T3 and T4 inputs remain available for any additional measure user needs. With measure from input T1, NanoVIP 2 Plus calculates fuel power. Electrical power generated by Genset is measured by electrical channel. NanoVIP 2 Plus is then capable to calculate real-time Genset system efficiency. Thanks to MRH technology, NanoVIP 2 Plus can connect to an MRH wireless measuring network, coordinated by a NanoVIP QuadraMaster device. Each NanoVIP 2 Plus will send measures to QuadraMaster that will combine all data together, storing a real-time, fully synchronized campaign. Any combination of working modes can be set and QuadraMaster will take care to understand and set up measuring network parameters. For further details, go to our website lcontrol-energy.net. Thanks for watching.